Here, and today we are going to be replacing an air filter on a 2005 KTM 65. A couple things that you're going to need. First, you're going to need some gloves. Then, depending on what you're doing, you can get air filter cleaner and spray on air filter oil, or you can do what I do and buy a oiled filter. You're going to turn this in a quarter turn, and then you're going to pull the seat back. Step 2, you're going to take off the air filter retainer. 3, this is where the gloves come in handy because the air filter is covered in a whole bunch of air filter oil. So let's reach down in there. Just like that. On the 2004 to 2008 KTM 65 to always wipe out the air box. Install a little rim grease around this part right here. Now we're going to install the new pre-oiled filter back into the air box. Filter and the retainer is back into the air box where we can install the seat. This video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you thought. And I also want to shout out 2 of my buddies, one from the previous video, Kyler, and then my good buddy, Crew. Peace.